Turk. What a good boy. Good no jumping. Good boy. You say take me home. I want to go home with you.
Danny. You need to calm it down. You're a good girl, but you're a little hyper. Yeah. Turk, tell her what you're doing. Tell her you're not. You can't get it. You look so good.